What is Puran and how many Purans are there? The Puran in Sanskrit word is Puran of ancient times, and in Sanskrit word it means ancient or old. Puran are considered as one of the most ancient literature about the Hindus. In fact, Puran are the post-Vedic text and are regarded as a fifth Veda. Sig Vyas is known to be a compiler of the Puran from the age to age. He Krishna Divyapyan, the son of Parashar. And some Purans are the described here. डिस्क्रिप्शन दैट लास्ट वी शुड बी एलोबरेट आप सभी को बताएंगे, इंग्लिश अंग्रेजी भाषियों के लिए भी लाभप्रद रहेगा इसका ज्ञान. नो द पुराण आर encyclopedia and cover the various topic including cosmogony, cosmology, folk art, folk tales, pilgrimage, theology, medicine, temples, grammar, philosophy, astronomy, and 11 the genealogy of gods, goddess, king, heroes, sages, and demigods. The Puran contains a vivid description of the history of the universe from the creation to destruction. It is described the Hindu cosmology and the geography. It contains narrative of hero and demigods and even the genealogies of king. In fact, the first Puran was compiled between the 3rd and the 10th century of. By the far, the famous Puran stand to be a Bhagavad Puran that narrates the childhood and the early life of Krishna, the 8 incarnation of God, of Hindu God, Lord Vishnu. The Puran, a Bhagavad Puran, is a praise, the practice of Bhakti Yoga. In first Puran contain a wealth of information on yogic practice as well as different branches of spiritual practice. There are a much of 18 main Purans and 18 minor Purans known as Up Puran. Together they contain over 4 lakh verses or shloks. Then a division of Puran. The 18 main Puran have divided into 3 categories and have been named after the deity Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva. Out of the 18 main Purans the 6 are Sattvic or Vaishnav Puran, which glorify 6 are Sattvic or the Vaishnav Puran, which glorify Lord Vishnu. 6 are the Rajasic or Brahma Puran, which glorify the Lord Brahma. And remaining the 6 are Tamasic or the Shiva Puran and glorify the Lord Shiva. The Vishnu Puran include the Vishnu Puran, Vaishnava Puran. Purans are Vishnu Puran, Narada Puran, Vaman Puran, Matsya Puran, Garun Puran, Srimad Bhagavat Puran. The Brahma Puran include Brahma Puran, Bhavishya Puran, Agni Puran, Brahma Vaivarta Puran, Brahman Puran, and Padma Puran. And Shiv Puran include the Shiv Puran, Ling Puran, Kurm Puran, Markandi Puran, Skanda Puran, Vara Puran. In fact, it is a belief that we are the approximately 64 Purans, the 18 Mahapurans, and 18 are the primary Upa Purans, and the rest is the secondary Upa Purans. What does the Puran contains? Typically, the Puran cover the 5 major topics. They are the cosmogony, cosmology, cosmic cycles, genealogy of gods, sages, and kings, legend during the time of the various king. However, some other Purans, such as the Bhagavad Puran, contain the 5 more characters, thereby making a list to 10 includes tells about the god, karmic link with the exist between the deities, says king and living beings, spiritual liberations or moksha. Interested fact about the Purans: all the Puran are related to the class of Shruti, Smriti or the friendly treatise. The Puran belong on the class of Itihas, Ramayana and Mahabharata. Puran endeavor to bring the people closer to the God. It should be appreciated that the Puran tell the supreme truth to one and all is very simple manner. All the Puran are dedicated to the certain deities. Some are dedicated to God and other are dedicated to goddess. They contain the essence of spiritual teaching and a complex yogic philosophy of the ancient Vedic text. Purana are most important religious text in Bhakti Yuga tradition. They go on the emphasis the devotional aspect of yoga, the cultivate the devotion by the perfection personification of the close deity in the form of entertaining myths and stories. For the example, Bhagavad Puran describes the Bhakti Yoga and all the steps of its practicing. In the Linga Puran, you can get a description of Yam, discipline, and Niyam is virtues, and Pranayam, the breath technique. Another text, the Vayu Puran, cover the information about the Prarthana is a withdrawal of the sense and a dhyan in a concentration or in meditation and dharana is a concentration, as will mention it. ध्यान, धारणा और समाधि. समाधि मतलब उसको हम एक परमोक्ष अवस्था में कह सकते हैं. The Puran go on the express of the growth of Hindu Dharma, condition of society in ancient times, social customs, religions, ceremony, as well as a yogic method of discipline. All in all, the Puran endeavor to re-establish the eternal relations of living beings give God. They have been created so that any class of men or women can take the advantage of them, experience the comprehension and greatness of God. Purpose of Purans, it there a perpetual struggle of existence and a human being forgotten their relationship with God and are overly attached to a material sense of gratifications from the time immortal. The religious literature such as Vedas and Puran attempting to bring the human being closer to God and reestablished their forgotten relation with God. Puran offer the shelter to people who seek to concern the darkness reason of material existence. Now we take up the answer some of the important questions that you have always want to know about the Purans. How many Purans are there? Are the 18 Mahapurans and 18 Uppurans, and out of 18 Purans, the 6 reference to the Satvik Puran, which are the glory Lord Vishnu, and 6 are the Rajasic, are a glorify Lord Brahma, and 6 are termed to the Tamsic and a glorify to the Lord Shiva. 18 Puran description. So the Satvik Purans are the Vishnu Puran. Vishnu Puran contained the almost 23,000 verses. It in one of the most popular Mahapurans. Vishnu Puran is a centered of Hindu God Lord Vishnu and his avatars such as Lord Krishna, It also praises the Brahma and Shiva, assert they are that they are one of the Lord Vishnu. The Vishnu Puran from an important part of Vaishnavism literature corpus. It consists of the 6 Ashmas parts and 126 adhyaya means chapters. In Vishnu Puran, the content are present in Panchlakshana format. Sarga, cosmology, Pratisarga means the first are the Sarg is a cosmology and Pratisarg is the अभी फर्स्ट सर्ग में तो कॉस्मोगोनी एंड देन प्रतिसर्ग कॉस्मोलॉजी. Amamasa is a mythical genealogy of the god sages and kings, and Manvantar is a cosmic cycle, and Vanchu Rhythm present the legend which are the happened during the time of various king. Its composite date is unknown and consists Narad Puran. Narad Puran is also the Nardiya Puran. It consists of almost 25,000 verses. It discusses the 4 Vedas and 6 Vedangas. Narad Puran goes to listen the major river of India and places of pilgrims, and even provide a short tour guide for each. And Narad Puran goes to discuss the various philosophy. Soteric is a stereo, planets, astronomy, myths, and offer characteristic of major deities such as Vishnu, Shiva, Devi, Ram, Krishna, Lakshmi, and others. Her says Narad has described the duties which are the participate in Virat Kalpa. Narad gave a some sermon to the various rishis present in Naimisharan on the Gomti river. Vama Puran. Vama Puran is consists of 1,000 verses. It has a name after Vaman avatar of Lord Vishnu, which is the draft avatar. It contains the chapter on the Lord Vishnu and other Hindu god and goddess. Vaman Puran weaves a legend and mythology. It contains the chapter glorify the Lord Vishnu, even more chapter glorifying the Shiva. It also includes the chapter with glorify various gods. Moreover, the Vaman Puran serves as the travel guide to many Shiva-related persons, places in India. Then a Matsya Puran. The Matsya Puran contains the 14,000 verses. It is a Vaishnavam text which got the name after the half human and half fish avatar of Vishnu. Matsya Puran narrates the story of Matsyaka, which was the first of the 10 major avatar of Lord Vishnu. It is also include the legend about the Brahman Saraswati. The Matsya Puran is encyclopedia in nature, has also covered the various topic in the length and describe about the type of yoga and Vasu, Shastra and deities and ethics. The value and importance of the charity, Dan, both Shiva and Vishnu related festivals, duty of king and pilgrimage and other topic as well. According to the then next was Garuna Purana. The Garuna Purana form a part of Vishnuism literature corpus. It contains nearly 9,000 verses. It primarily center on the Hindu god Lord Vishnu. However, it also praises the god as well. It describes how the Vishnu, Shiva, Brahma collaborate. Garuna Puran goes to narrate to a dialogue that occur between the Lord Vishnu and Garun, the king of birds. It has be a vivid description of the detail is the afterlife. Garun Puran describes the theory of heaven and hell with karma and rebirth. It impresses that the knowledge is the key to the liberation. The Garun Puran include the chapter on the geography of India, its river, type of minerals and stones, various diseases and topics and their symptoms, the various medicines, astronomy, the basic of Hindu calendar, economy, and duty of the king, and politics, and other topics. And final chapter goes to discuss how to the practice yoga. The original text was composed in Sanskrit. And next is the Srimad Bhagavat Puran. The Srimad Bhagavat Puran is a record to the almost popular Mahapuran. It consists about the 18,000 verses. Srimad Bhagavat tells about the avatars of Vishnu and Vaishnav. It contains the essence of for all the Vedanta literature. It is a one who experienced the nectar of its ras, never be a desire from anything else. Srimad Bhagavat Puran is the 9 primary form of bhaktis: Shravan, Kirtan, Ismaran, Padaseva, Archana, Vandana, दास्य, सांख्य एवं आत्म निवेदन. कंप्लीट सरेंडर टू बी सेल्फ इज कॉल्ड. उससे पहले भी नवधा भक्ति के नाम से ये बताया जा चुका है कि 9 तरीके को भक्ति है. सो द भागवतम कंसिस्ट द एक्सेंस ऑफ ऑल वेदांता फिलॉसफी एंड रिलेटेड टू एब्सोल्यूट ट्रूथ. एंड श्रीमद् भगवद गीता टीचर्स द डिवोशनल सर्विस टू द Supreme Lord Vishnu, and it was popularized during the Bhakti movement. And Rajasic Purana, the Brahma Puran. The Brahma Puran consists of 10,000 verses. It is also known as Adi Puran. And another title for the Brahma Puran is Surya Puran, as it consists of many chapters related with the Surya or other sun god. And the text related to 245 chapters that are written in the Sanskrit language. And however, the text has been nothing to do with the Hindu Lord God Brahma, and it is the more of the travel guide, and including with the sections of the diverse topics divided into 2 parts in the Purva Bhag or then Uttara Bhag. And Brahma Puran also has been borrowed the passages from the Hindu texts such as Mahabharata, Puran, such as Vishnu and Vayu. And in fact, the 60% chapter describe the holy site as a Godavari river region and a place is around the Odisha, and even the tributaries of the Chambal river in Rajasthan. As so is the mythological, and is celebrated inside the temples and related to the Vishnu, Devi, Shiva, Surya. It cover be a topic as such as cosmology, mythology, genealogy, Manvantara, cosmic time cycle, etc. Next one is Bhavishya Puran. Bhavishya Puran is the major